Hey there! In this lesson, I'm going to talk to you about accent marks. Let's go! Accent marks are used in several languages like Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, French, Dutch, etc. They're related to pronunciation and they're used in the writing to mark or to highlight the tone of the words or the stressed syllable. In Portuguese, we have the following accent marks. The first one, acento agudo. You see it in words like sofá, ótimo, América, saúde. The next one is acento circunflexo. Acento circunflexo. In words like ônibus, lâmpada, você, avô. The next one is tio. Tio is a nasal mark. You see it in words like irmão, leão, irmã, amanhã. The last one is acento grave. Acento grave. It's used to mark the contraction of the preposition a with the article a or with the pronoun aquele, aquela, for example. The name of this contraction is crase. Crase. Most of people here in Brazil call it just crase, but it's not technically correct, because the name of the mark is acento grave, and the name of the contraction is crase, but no problem. Let's see some examples. In this sentence, eu fui à festa. Eu fui à festa. You can see this acento grave, because here the verb fui is the past of ir, which means to go. Eu fui à festa. It needs this preposition a. Eu fui à festa. This next a is an article, à festa. So the contraction, we used this mark, the acento grave. And it's like this. Eu fui à festa. We don't say eu fui à festa. You just say eu fui à festa. Another example. Este livro pertence àquele menino. Este livro pertence àquele menino. Aquele with the acento grave, because este livro pertence a aquele menino. Pertence a. This verb, pertencer, needs the preposition a. Pertence a aquele menino. So we join this preposition with the pronoun aquele, and we have pertence àquele menino. Este livro pertence àquele menino. Okay? So remember, we have just these 4 accent marks in Portuguese. Acento agudo, acento circunflexo, tio, and acento grave. In Portuguese, we classify the words according to the position of the stressed syllable. We have oxítonas, paroxítonas, and proparoxítonas. Let's see them. First group is oxítonas. Oxítonas are words in which the stressed syllable is the last one. For example, sofá, parabéns, amar. Paroxítonas, words in which the stressed syllable is the penultimate or the second to last. For example, caro, ideia, fácil. And the last group is proparoxítonas, words in which the stressed syllable is the antepenultimate or the third to last. For example, lâmina, música, árvore. And we have some rules concerned to these groups. Okay, and now we'll see them. First group, oxítonas. They will receive the accent mark if they end in a, e or e, o or o, em, ens. For example, sofá, sofás, café, vocês, avô, avós, ninguém, parabéns, and they will receive the accent mark if they end in the following diphthongs: ei, el, oi, and not ei, eu, or o. It's this open sound: ei, el, oi. In words like anéis, papéis, troféus, constrói, cowboy, heróis. Okay? So remember, the oxytonas receive the accent mark if they end in a, e, o, em, ens, and the diphthongs ei, el, oi. That's it. And the next group is paroxytonas. Paroxytonas are easy because they follow the opposite rules of the oxytonas. So if you memorize the rules concerned to oxytonas, you already know the rules about paroxytonas. And they are also receive the accent marks if they end in an, ans, uns, for example, orphan, órgãos, and the rest of the diphthongs in words, for example, like área, mágoa, régua, óleo, férias, relógio, ingênuo. Okay, so remember, if they don't end in the letters with the letters a, e, o, em, ens, they receive the accent mark. It's the opposite of the oxytons. Okay, and our last group is proparoxytons, the easier of them, because all of them receive the accent marks. For example, words like música, árvore, lâmpada, all of them receive the accent marks. All proparoxytonas receive the accent mark, okay? Well, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Ciao!